Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this class, we are going to discuss some differentiation, very short answers type questions in intermediate level. These concepts are very important, these problems are very important. Question by question we have to discuss. The first question, if f of x equal to log of secant x plus tan x, find f dash of x. Like this they will ask the question. If f of x equal to log of secant x plus tan x, find f dash of x. We come to the answer. First given f of x is equal to log of secant x plus tan x. It is in the form of log something function. Something function is f of x. Log f of x. In earlier classes, we discussed about the formulas of d by dx of log f of x. D by dx of log f of x is 1 by f of x. Again that function f of x you have to differentiate. So similarly here also differentiate with respect to x. F of x derivative is f dash of x is equal to log of, this is f of x, no? So log f of x derivative is 1 by f of x means what here? Secant x plus tan x. After that what we have to do? Keep bracket. Each and every term of this function you have to differentiate. So d by dx of secant x. In this problem each and every term I am writing, otherwise in next question, I will write directly. Next d by dx of tan x, which is equal to 1 by secant x plus tan x. D by dx of secant x tan x. D by dx of tan x, secant square x. Observe this term here, secant x tan x plus secant square x. From these two take common secant x. So it will becomes, if you take common secant x from these two, secant x into tan x plus secant x whole divided by secant x plus tan x. Observe these two values, secant x plus tan x, secant x plus tan x. These two will be cancelled. So the rest of the term secant x. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to secant x. Like this, we have to do that. Here we apply this formula d by dx of log f of x, which is equal to 1 by f of x. Again, f of x you have to differentiate f dash of x. This formula we apply here. The next question, if y equal to sine inverse of root x, find dy by dx. First what we have to do, given y is equal to sine inverse root x. First observe that the function, it is in the form of sine inverse of x. D by dx of sine inverse x is what? 1 by square root of 1 minus x square, or 1 by root over 1 minus x square. In place of x, what value is there? Root x is there. Again that function you have to differentiate. First you have to know the formula for d by dx of sine inverse x, which is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So here also differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx equal to sine inverse root x derivative 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. In place of x, what value is there? Root x is there. So root x whole square. This square for only this term. After that, what we have to do into d by dx of whatever the function is involving in this given function. That we have to differentiate again. D by dx of root x, which is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus root x whole square. It will become x into d by dx of root x, 1 by 2 root x, 1 by 2 root x. This is the formula. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x, which is equal to 1 by 2 into root x into root 1 minus x. We can stop here, but we have formulas. Root a into root b is equal to root ab. We have to apply this formula to get the complete answer. 1 by 2 into root of x into 1 minus x into x, x square. Like this you can stop that. Therefore, dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 into square root of x minus x square. We will take the next question. We go to the third question. Question number 3. If y equal to secant of root tan x, find dy by dx. Secant, this is x. First, we have to apply d by dx of secant x. D by dx of secant x is secant x into tan x. In place of x, what value is there? Root tan x is there. So it is in the form of root x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So d by dx of root tan x is 1 by 2 root tan x. Again, tan x also we have to differentiate. So d by dx of tan x is secant square x. Like this we have to do that. That means one function is involving in other function. First we have to differentiate the given function. After that into d by dx of whatever the function is involving, that we have to differentiate. So first given y equal to secant of root tan x. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx is equal to, it is in the form of secant x. D by dx of secant x is secant x tan x. So secant of root tan x into tan of root tan x. We applied the formula now. D by dx of secant root tan x is secant root tan x into tan root tan x into d by dx of which function is involving in this? Root of tan x involved. So d by dx of root tan x, which is equal to secant of root tan x into tan of root tan x. It is in the form of d by dx of root x. D by dx of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root tan x. Again what we have to do? Again tan x also we have to differentiate into d by dx of tan x, which is equal to secant of root tan x into tan of root tan x into 1 by 2 root tan x. D by dx of tan x is secant square x. Therefore, ultimately, conclusion step, dy by dx equal to secant square x into secant of root tan x into tan of root tan x whole divided by 2 into root tan x. But don't cancel here root tan x, here root tan x. Here tan of root tan x is the function which is involving in tan. Even here also root tan x is the function which is involving in secant function. So here root tan x is different function, separate function, independent function. So we cannot cancel these two. Like this you have to do that. One function is involving in other function. This is the way we have to do that. Next question. Question number 4. If y equal to log of cos h to x, find dy by dx. First, given y equal to log of cos h to x. Again, it is in the form of log f of x. Whenever we got d by dx of log f of x, 1 by f of x into f dash of x. So now, differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx, which is equal to d by dx of log of cos h to x, d by dx of log of f of x. D by dx of log f of x is 1 by f of x into d by dx of f of x. We have to write it. The similar procedure we have to follow in this step. This step we have to follow here. So d by dx of log cos h to x is 1 by cos h to x into d by dx of whatever the function is involved in now, that we can differentiate. Cos h to x. So which is equal to d by dx of cos h to x. We have formula d by dx of cos h ax is equal to d by dx of cos hx is sin hx. D by dx of cos h ax is sin h ax. Again ax is the function which is involving. Ax derivative is a. So we can write as a. Now onwards you remember as a formula d by dx of cos h to x is 2 into sin hx, that means sin h to x divided by cos h to x, which is equal to 2 into sin hx by cos hx, tan hx. Therefore 2 into tan h to x. Therefore dy by dx equal to 2 into tan h to x. Like this we can apply the formula. We take the next question, question number 5. If y equal to log of sin of log x, find dy by dx. Y equal to log of sin of log x. So first given y equal to log of sin of log x. So this is completely f of x. Again you have to apply the same formula. We can apply this step. So differentiate with respect to x, dw or dx. Y derivative is dy by dx, which is equal to log f of x, 1 by sin of log x. Again this complete function you have to differentiate, not only log x. This complete function you have to differentiate, d by dx of sin of log x. Whatever the function is involving in log, the complete function we have to differentiate here, which is equal to 1 by sin of log x into d by dx of, it is in the form of d by dx of sin x. What is d by dx of sin x? Cos x. In the same way, d by dx of sin of log x, cos of log x. After that what we have to do, into whatever the function is involving, that again we have to differentiate, into d by dx of log x. Now cos of log x by sin of log x, it is cos x by sin x, it will be cot. So we can write it as cos of log x by sin of log x, it is cot of log x into d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Therefore, we can write it as cot of log x divided by x is equal to dy by dx. Hence the result. Like this we have to apply. We know that dy by dx of log x is 1 by x. The next question, the question number 6. If y equal to cot inverse of x cube whole square, find dy by dx. This question they asked in intermediate public exam 1 or 2 times. If y equal to cot inverse of x cube whole power 2, that means whole square. So what we have to do here, first we write it given y is equal to cot inverse of x cube whole square. We can write like this way, cot inverse of x cube whole square. It is looking like y is equal to f of x whole power n. This complete function is f of x. So we know that y equal to f of x whole power n is there. How to differentiate? Differentiate with respect to x, y is equal to dy by dx. F of x whole power n means n into f of x whole power n minus 1 into again f of x we have to differentiate f dash of x. This formula we are going to apply. This is the application. How to do means. So here also f of x is cot inverse x cube. So first you have to apply this step. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx equal to f of x whole power n. N is equal to what here? 2 into cot inverse of x cube whole power 2 minus 1 into d by dx of cot inverse of x cube. Do you know the formula of d by dx of cot inverse x? What is the formula for d by dx of cot inverse x? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So here I am writing d by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. But you keep in mind, here in place of x, x cube is there. So wherever x is there here, you have to replace with x cube. So which is equal to 2 into whole power 2 minus n means 1. So we can neglect it. Only this function we have to write. Cot inverse of x cube into d by dx of cot inverse of x cube minus 1 by 1 plus x square. X value is what here? X cube. X cube whole square. Again this function is involving that x cube we have to differentiate d by dx of x cube. Now minus 1 into 2 minus 2 into cot inverse of x cube divided by 1 plus x power 3 whole power 2, that means a power m whole power n, a power mn, 3 into 2 6 into d by dx of x power 3, d by dx of x power n, the standard result in differentiation, n into x power n minus 1. So here n is equal to 3, 3 into x square. So after that if you simplify 3 into 2 6 minus 6 into x square into cot inverse of x cube whole divided by 1 plus x power 6. This is the value of dy by dx to the corresponding given y value. We'll go to the next question. The next question, 7th question. If y equal to cosecant inverse of e power 2x plus 1, find dy by dx. First we have to write given cosecant inverse of e power 2x plus 1. It is in the form of cosecant inverse x. First you have to know the formula for, this is completely x we are assuming, d by dx of cosecant inverse x, which is equal to minus 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. This is the formula for d by dx of cosecant inverse x. This formula we are applying now. So this is completely x value now. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by square root of, before that, x. This is completely x we told now. So e power 2x plus 1 into square root of e power 2x plus 1 whole square minus 1. Just we applied the formula. After applying this formula, whatever the function is involving in this cosecant inverse x, that function again you have to differentiate into d by dx of e power 2x plus 1. Here also I told one formula in previous classes. D by dx of e power f of x, that is equal to e power f of x. E power f of x derivative is e power f of x. Again f of x also you have to differentiate into f dash of x. So here, which is equal to minus 1 divided by e power 2x plus 1 into square root of a power m whole power n. E power 2x plus 1 into 2. E power 4x plus 2 minus 1. This minus 1 is different. Into d by dx of it is in the form of e power 2x plus 1. E power f of x derivative, e power 2x plus 1 derivative is e power 2x plus 1. Again we have to differentiate d by dx of 2x plus 1. It is in the form of d by dx of ax plus b only. No? D by dx of ax plus b, which is equal to a. Number of times I told in previous classes. So which is equal to e power 2x plus 1, e power 2x plus 1, we can get it cancelled. D by dx of 2x plus 1, d by dx of x plus b is a. X coefficient is answer here. D by dx of 2x plus 1 is 2. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Divided by square root of e power 4x plus 2 minus 1 is the answer for the given question. Dy by dx equal to minus 2 by e root of e power 4x plus 2 minus 1.